My name is Hidemi. With Spinal Flow, I had about 5 or 6 sessions. So my physical ailment has always been on my right side, especially in my right hip, my right back. It's for about 15 years, it's been really tight. There's been moments of lots of pain, and no matter how many yoga sessions or stretching sessions or massage therapy sessions that I've done, I could never heal. And it's always been really hard. But I've had about 5 or 6 spinal flow sessions, and I did go through changes at first, which felt uncomfortable. But now, after 5 or 6 sessions, I'm in disbelief because I actually don't have the pain anymore. And it's just really nice to know that there's no pain anymore. And also in my neck too, it's always been really tight. My arm, everything on my right side has always given me a lot of problems, but it's been really, really, really good. Yeah, so I feel like there could be a little more improvement, and with a few more sessions and all. But in 5, 6 sessions, I can't believe the huge difference that it's made for me. So I'm really, really happy to be here.